Oblalotak, Kanwit busy. Today is Wednesday. What day? All day today, let's be responsible. Always try to do our best. Cooperate with others and let's treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. Hi, I'm here with my friends to talk to you all about yoga and meditation. Did you know yoga and meditation helps our vagus nerve stimulate so that we feel calm, especially during anxiety or depression? So whenever you feel anxious in any point of time, make sure you're deep breathing. If you have a space, you can try some yoga poses and it will really help you calm down. Meditation, on other hand, can improve your mood by silently repeating some mantras or positive affirmations. Some examples of positive affirmations are: I am kind to all, I care about others, I'm a good listener, I'm generous, I'm mindful, I'm respectful, etc. All those positive affirmations while doing yoga and meditation can help you stimulate your vagus nerve, and that would help you calm yourself and would help you get you to a better mood if you are feeling depressed. So I'm gonna model some yoga poses with you guys and gonna show you some form of meditation. You can practice this yoga and meditation when you get up in the morning before coming to school, after school, or before you go to bed. Try these at home and let me know how you feel after doing some yoga and meditation. Okay, here I go. The first pose is the sitting pose. I don't know what it's called, but in India we used to call it Padmasana. So this is how we sit, and I'm gonna close my eyes and say some positive affirmation. I'm respectful to all. I'll be kind to others. Okay, I'm gonna try a different pose now. I care about others. I am mindful. I am mindful to others' needs. So those were some yoga poses that you could try at home. And for meditation is when you close your eyes, focus, and you chant some mantras, or you can say those positive affirmations. I usually chant Om when I meditate, so it sounds like Om, Om. So I repeat that at least 5 times every day. Either I usually do it in the evening and I feel really relaxed when I'm stressed about my assignments or my work and I feel anxious. Meditation really helps me. So try it out and let me know how you feel. Here is a friendly reminder for everyone that upcoming eligibility is this Friday on November 14th and for regionals, and the next eligibility for the first basketball game will be on 16th December. That is 4 weeks from this Friday. So make sure if you want to participate in any of the sports activities or student activities, you are eligible by having at least 2.0 GPA, no failing grades, that means no Fs, and at least 80% attendance. Thank you so much for your time today. I hope you have a fabulous day. Happy learning.